Day 7, leg focus today. It's the very last high intensity interval training day for 1 week. Let's get started. We have a jump squat today, but we're gonna incorporate some of our obliques. So you're gonna do a jump squat and then we're gonna do a knee crunch in between that jump squat. Try to do it for 30 seconds. Here we go. Okay, up next, some old-fashioned burpees. If you want to do the push-up, awesome. If you don't want to do the push-up, you don't have to. If you want to come down onto your knees to hit that push-up, got to start somewhere, right? Here we go. I like this song. Hey, rock star. All right, so this one is another jump one. So, if we got bad knees, you're gonna listen to the second part, but for first, you're gonna try to touch all the way to your ankles. If that's not happening today, you're gonna jump and touch your knees. So, this is what it looks like. Getting those feet up. If you're not here, you're just touching those knees. You need to take a step out of it altogether. You're right here, still going as fast as you can. Remember, we're doing 30 seconds of each exercise, about 15 to 20 seconds of rest, kind of keeping it short. Stay tuned for what's next. All right, we got wall balls. So you're gonna grab that ball, head to a wall, and you're gonna do 30 seconds of squatting all the way down and tossing that ball up in the air. It's gonna be working the shoulders and the glutes. Here we go. Remember to keep the weight in your heels. That's gonna keep those glutes and hamstrings activated, pushing up through those heels as you're driving that ball up into the wall. Okay, up next we got one-legged jump hop, squats, hops. Can we stop and do that again? Because that was really bad. Okay, up next we got one-legged jump hops, so you're touching all the way to the ground and driving that opposite knee up to 90 degrees, and then halfway we'll switch. So here we go. Not doing the hop, you're coming here and driving down. So here, and just driving up, squeezing those glutes. not, and your knees don't hurt, you don't have any joint issues, we're hitting that hot today. Gets that heart rate moving, extra calories burning. So 30 seconds for all these exercises, 15 to 20 seconds reps, rest. Look at this, I'm so tired. Try to get in 4 to 5 rounds. If you're doing it, you can do it at home, you can do it outside, you can do it anywhere. So have fun with it. Last day, high intensity interval training. I'll catch you later. Boss.